Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a password protected folder on your Windows 10 operating system. So you might want to protect some files inside a folder with a password. How you can do this on Windows 10 we are going to see in this video. So let's say I have these two files which I want to password protect inside a folder. It can be any file, it can be a text file, PDF file, video file, or an image or anything. And then what you need to do is inside the folder where you want to create your password protected folder, you just need to right click on that folder and then click on new and then click on text document and then name this document whatever you want. I will name it as folder lock and then press enter. So you can see right now it has the extension .txt. Now I'm going to just double click on this document, which will allow me to add some content inside this file. So this file is folder lock.txt, you can see. And here inside this folder lock.txt file, you just need to paste this code which I'm showing you here. Now this code I'm going to give you in the description of the video, so you can just click one link of GitHub from where you can copy all the code same as demonstrated here. You don't need to do anything and then scroll down here. So just copy and paste all this code and then scroll down where you will see this line which says if not %pass percentage is equal to, and here you can give your password. Okay, so here let's say I'm going to give a password PASS123, which will be the password for my folder. Okay, so here you can give any password instead of your password text. Make sure that after equals you have this space here, and then after your password you have this space here. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to just click on the file. So let me just go here and we are going to just click on this file option here, and then we are going to save it as. So just click on save as. And here we are going to change the extension of this txt file to batch file. So instead of folder lock.txt, you just need to write folder lock.bat. Okay, so folder lock.bat, and instead of saving it as a text document, you can just choose this option which says all files. Okay, so make sure that you change the extension of this file and make sure you change this type as all files and then click on save. Okay, so you can see this file name has been changed to folder lock.bat file, and I have given this password to protect my folder. Okay, so once you have done that, you have provided your password here instead of this password, you can just close this file and you can see this batch file is created here, right? So once this batch file is created, what you need to do is you just need to simply double click on this BAT file. You can now remove this text file. You don't need to use this file anymore. So just click on folder lock.bat file, and once you do that, you can see it has created a folder called private for me automatically. So for the first time when you click on this folder lock.bat file, it's going to create this folder for you with the name private. So inside this folder you can move all your content, whatever you want to protect with the password. So I'm going to just move all the files which I want to protect using password, and then once you moved all your files, so you can see I have an image file here, I have the MP4 file here, and I have also moved this folder log.txt file. You don't need to do this. You can directly delete this file because we have already created this batch file out of this password file, right? So now you have this file. So this folder private will be now protected by a password. So now the last step here is to double click on this BAT file once again. So once again, just click on BAT file, and you can see it asks me, are you sure to lock this folder? So what I'm going to do is, let me just maximize the font size so you can see it in a better way. I will just increase the font size. So this is the message you will see here. Are you sure to lock this folder? Just type capital Y here. Okay, so capital Y, and then press enter. And once you do that, you will see automatically this private folder is hidden. So now your private folder is hidden and it will not be visible to anybody. And now one can only open this private folder using this folder log.batch file. So I'm going to just double click on this folder log.batch file, and here you can give your password. Okay, so it says enter the password to unlock the secure folder. I will just give my password PASS123 and then press enter, and once I do that, I can see this folder. Okay, so now I will just work on with these files. I will use these files, and once I'm done, I can once again click on this folder log.bat file and then just press Y and then press enter, and this folder will be logged once again. So how cool is this? So this is how you can lock your folders on Windows 10 without using any software. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.